Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new dresses, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. So these new dresses from Free Assembly. They have the scoop neckline. It has this zip with the dolman sleeve, drawstring in the waist, nice and flowy. That seam fit through the back, and they're $34. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. So this one has the smocking at the top, oversized poplin skirt. That same fit through the back, comes in the purple, also looks like just the purple, and these are $30. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. Also new flutter sleeve dresses from Scoop. There's a textured material, has that flutter sleeve, the little gathering tie, flowy through the front and back, in the orange, like coral, also in the white, and they're $30. New color in the t-shirt dress from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline, short sleeve. It's more fitted. I'm pretty sure these are only 5. We saw them in black and pink. Sneak peek dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the smocking at the top, thin strap, tiers, flowy, has the lining, and then that seam fit through the back in the white and blue. Also comes in this floral, and they are $14.98. New dress from Celebrity Pink. This one has a thin strap, this little tie, elastic through the waist, midi length with the tiers, in the white with the orange flowers, also in that green, and they're $24.50. New dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, the little smocking on the shoulder, flutter sleeve, smock detail under the bust, nice and flowy, same fit through the back. I think this one is an online only color, but how pretty, from Time and True. It's that t-shirt dress. I shared this one in a try on haul in the black. Has the crew neckline, the one little pocket, relaxed through the front and the back, and those are, I think they're $13. And then a new romper from No Boundaries. This has the thin strap, scoop neckline, the little tie, flowy with the built-in short, smocking in the back in the beige. Also comes in the red, and they're $14.98. New t-shirt dresses from Terran Sky. This has the plunging V. It has that relaxed sleeve, relaxed with the slits, in the purple, rust, green, and black, and they're $14.98. Also new baby doll dresses from No Boundaries. These have the plunging V side seam detail, seam under the busts, flowy with the tiers, seam through the back, in the yellow and white floral. Also comes in the white and blue, and they're $12.98. Sneak peek dresses from No Boundaries. So these are halter neck. It has that seam detail, maxi length with the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in leopard, also in the black, and those are only $10. Also new jumpsuits from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline, this V design, wide leg, with the same through the back, in the black, also in the green, and these are $16.98. New eyelet dress from Time and True. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline, elastic under the bust, flows out with pockets, also ties in the back. New linen dress from Time and True. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline, relaxed fit, has this little pleated detailing at the bottom, and then it's squared in the back. It also has these adjustable button straps, but this would look so cute with the black blazer, and they're $19.98. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, it's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. New dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the flutter sleeve, the V neckline, this little ruche detailing, crochet detail under the bust, and then also at the bottom tier, same fit through the back with the smocking. Also has that little tie, and they are going to be at $26. Also new contrast trim active dresses from Avia. These have the thick strap, the scoop neckline, built-in shelf bra, the little cutout, fit and flare with the bike shorts. Also has a little cut so you can pull it down without taking it all off, in the green and white, also the black and white, and they are going to be at $21.98. New active dress from Reebok. This one has a thicker strap, scoop neckline, built-in shelf bra, fit and flare with the built-in shorts, in the blue, also comes in the black, there's the black, and they are $32. And then also new from Reebok, this one has that scoop neckline. So I think that, oh, this is the front with the logo. in the black and white, and these are also $32. New short denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker straps, the scoop neckline, full button, shorter length. You can see the seam detail through the front, and then the back, it kind of flows out just a little bit of an A-line, and they are going to be $32. They have a new dress from Time and True. So this one has that plunging V, the little ruched detail, fabric covered buttons, those are functioning with the little wrap, elastic through the waist with a drawstring, drop tier, also has pockets, seam fit through the back in the blue, also comes in white, and they're $19.98. How cute are these new dresses from Time and True? So sneak peek item, it's at Gauze material, flutter sleeves, smocking, really pretty pearl buttons all the way down with the drop tier, and then the seam through the back. I think I'm gonna get this for the haul. I like it. I don't know about the color, I wish they had more, but $19.98. These new V-neck dresses from Time and True, they have the thicker strap, this elastic under the bust, nice and flowy, maxi length. The seam fit through the back with the elastic going all the way around. Comes in the green stripe, also in the navy. That's what the material looks like up close, and they're $17.98. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the plunging V, this little bow detail, has the puff sleeve, flows out in this pretty lavender. I'll have it linked. I did see these in a couple stores, so even though it looks like it's online only. Also new from Time and True is this halter neck dress. So this one has the tie around the neck, seam detail, drop tier, that same kind of fit through the back. It has this really pretty crisscross detail, and they're $20. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this reminds me so much of House of CB. It has the thin strap, the scoop, the little tie, seam detail on the waist, flowy with the smocking in the back. Also new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the little twist fit, and then the drop tier with the smocking in the back, and these are $26. They also have the little Free Assembly dress. I think these are very limited in this print and color, but it has the square neckline, balloon sleeve, smocking through the back, and they're $26. New dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that halter neckline with the braided strap, sleeveless, pleated, flowy, with the keyhole in the back. Comes in this black floral, also in the green Aztec print, and they're $30. Also new longer length dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, the little ruching, cutout, tiers, flowy, and then the smock through the back, and they're $34. Also new from Sofia Vergara are these longer dresses. So they have a thin adjustable strap, that knotted detail fit with the drop tier, and then the smocking in the back. In the beige and green, also comes in that black and beige, and they are $26. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, fit and flare. It's a seersucker with the smocking, all the embroidered lemons, and they are $34. Also new fit and flare dress from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, a pawnee knit, has that scoop neckline, seam detail at the waist, flowy, and then squared in the back, and these are going to be $28. Also new Poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the bow sleeve, functioning buttons all the way down, fit and flare with the smocking in the back. Comes in the stripe, how cute, and then also this blue and white, and they're $34. Also new eyelet trim dresses from Free Assembly. These have the thin strap, that ruffled trim with the tie, smocked waist, flowy skirt with the eyelet, and then that same fit through the back in the white, also that blue and white stripe, and they're $34. New dress from Time and True. This one has the thicker strap, a little bit of a square neckline, the seam detail, drop tier. Oh, this is the crisscross back. We also saw this one in the black, and I also showed this one on a try-on haul, and they're $24.98. Also new halter dresses from Free Assembly. These have that little twist, the keyhole fit, and then flares out with smocking in the back. Also has the zipper in the red, also in that lemon print, and these are $28. New Maxi length Jessica Simpson dresses. So these have the thick strap, smocking in the waist, flowy. Oh wait, it's actually a jumpsuit. So really wide leg. In this purple and white, also this red and purple floral. And they are going to be $36. Also new lace trim dresses from Scoop. So this has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve seam with that same lace trim, and then the same fit through the back. New dresses from Scoop. So these have the thick strap, that scoop neckline, the 2 for material. So it has that ponte knit and then that poplin flowy skirt. In the black, also comes in white, and they're $34. New Jessica Simpson romper. This one has that smaller collar, full button side pocket, cuffed bottom in the denim, and they're going to be $36. Also new little flowy romper from Jessica Simpson. This one has the thicker strap, the scoop neckline, functioning buttons up until the waist, elastic with the tier, and they are going to be $34. New denim romper from Celebrity Pink. So this has the plunging V, full button, elastic through the back in the orange, also comes in the chambray, and they're $24.50. Crochet trim dresses from Madden NYC. It has that little detail with the tier, seam detail with the squared back. This one comes in pink. We also saw it in white, or it's like a light blue actually, but they sold out of the other color, and these are going to be $21. In that utility style, there's this romper from Celebrity Pink. So it has the smaller collar, full button toggle at the waist, relaxed fit with the same fit through the back. Comes in the green, also in the khaki, and they are going to be $22.50. In the army green color, these skirts from Celebrity Pink. So they have the silver hardware, contrast brown trim. It says tab waist skirt with the same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in this denim. That's the other color, and they're $15.50. Also new utility style dresses from Time and True. These have the smaller collar lapel, this little shoulder detail, 2 front pockets, elastic in the waist. It scoops in the middle so it comes up in the sides, and then that seam in the back. They're $18.98, and it comes in the green, also in this linen, in the solid black. These are so nice. New dress from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar, full button, has the little drawstring with the dolman sleeve. You can pull that in. Elastic in the waist, belt, flowy with pockets. Has the elastic going all the way around. In this linen, also comes in a blue. It's also that linen texture. There's also 2 print options, a black and white and beige palm, and then also the white, green, and teal, and they're $22.98. New tier dresses from Time and True. These have that little tight detail, flutter sleeve. It's a poplin material, tiers and flowy through the front and back in this pink kind of scroll print, also the white and green, and they're $16.98. And then also online only is this little flutter sleeve dress. So it has the plunging V. It's a satin material, midi length, and then that same fit through the back. Also new dress back here from Time and True. So this one has the plunging V, buttons all the way down. Also has the bell sleeve. I think this one's online only. Also new eyelet dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, fabric covered buttons, the little tiers. They have a bunch of colors online. New flutter sleeve dresses from Time and True. So these have that V design, this little ruching, flutter sleeve, nice and flowy. It's midi length with the smocking in the back. They are going to be $19.98. New t-shirt dresses from Time and True. So these have a crew neckline, relaxed sleeve. It's about knee length. This is the extra small, so it is more oversized. In the black and white stripe, also the pink. There's an olive and black, and they're $9.98. Also new dresses from Time and True. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, midi length, or it's maxi length. These are longer with the seam in the back. They're very nice and stretchy. In the green, there's also pink and black, and they're $13.98. Eyelet dress from Time and True. I shared this in a haul a couple weeks ago in the navy. It has this split V, the elastic on the wrist, also that eyelet trim at the bottom. They're regularly, I think they're like $24.98. They're now on sale for $15 and change. Belted dresses from Time and True are majorly on sale. So these have the smaller collar, lapel, seam detail, wrap style front with the belt. This one is regularly $22. It's on sale in the blue palm print. It's like a blue leaf look. And it's down to $8.50. The prints in this nightgown from Joy Spun. This one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, flowy fit with the slits on the side. In the leopard also comes in that black floral. There's a gray stripe and that black floral. And they are going to be $14.98. Caftans from Joy Spun. These have that plunging V, flutter sleeve, it's open, this little elastic flowy through the front and back. In the pink floral, also in that blue, there's that black, a black and white, this white and blue palm, the blue and white scroll, and they're $16.98. And then in the same material, they have these nightgowns. These are so soft, flowy, thin strap, that scoop neckline, the gathering, maxi length. In the blue and purple, there's this white and blue scroll. It's really pretty. I think you could even wear this as a dress, like belted, sandals, denim jacket. There's this pink floral, and they're $16.98. New corset dresses from Madden NYC. These have the thin strap, that seam detail balloon skirt, and then smocked in the back. Comes in white, also black. And they're $21. New dresses from Time and True. So these are a stretchy material at the top. It has that scoop neckline, sleeveless, textured skirt, nice and flowy, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in the ivory, also in black, and they are $17.98. Also in that same material, this one is a slip. So it's that same smoothing material, has that scoop, fitted through the body. And these are going to be, looks like $14.98 as well, and it's the same level of smoothing. Also new from No Boundaries are these crochet dresses. So they have the thicker strap, that plunging V. It's an open knit with a little bit of a silver shimmer. Midi length with the slit, and then it also has the V in the back. And these are $20. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.